Alright, this is going to be the convention center elevator, I'm guessing, at the Renaissance Hotel at International Plaza in Tampa, Florida. Look at this, Dover Traditional. Actually, I think this might be a Thyssenkrupp. Like these buttons. Yeah. Oh wow, very nice cab. Yeah, I think this is a Thyssenkrupp. Alright, yeah, it's a Thyssenkrupp older traditional.
Yeah.
Let's go down to 1. Wow. Very nice. Much nicer than any of the mall elevators here. Scope to 2. Listen to the motor. All right, let's ring the bell. All right, 1. There's your certificate. Won't focus on it. Let me ring the bell. Alright, we'll just get off here. Yeah. And there it goes. And that's gonna be it. Look at this staircase. Wow. There's the lobby, and that's gonna be it.